I'm Caty Pilachowski. I'm from Indiana University, and I'm a professor of astronomy. And this is Inside a Scientist's Suitcase. So when I was a kid, I used to read a lot, and the things that meant the most to me in my reading were books about astronomy. And the excitement of understanding in detail the process of stellar evolution was what got me excited as a middle school and high school student. I've stuck with that particular theme all through my career. I study the evolution of stars. I study how stars produce elements, how those elements get out into the interstellar medium, how the galaxy itself has changed its composition over time. It's been wonderful to work in the field where I began as a kid to learn about astronomy, or how chlorine is produced. That chlorine in our swimming pools is made in supernova explosions. That's pretty cool. What do I have in my bag? Well, let me show you. I brought everything with me. First of all, this doesn't go in my bag, but when I come to a meeting like this, it's something I always bring. It's a poster tube. So when I present my research, I usually do it in the form of a poster. And we all come, we can recognize each other on the airplane because we're all carrying poster tubes to bring our posters to the meetings. This one's nice because I can put it over my head, make sure I get it on right, and carry it so it makes me feel like Robin Hood. The other thing that I love to bring is my favorite suitcase. And I like this one because it's small enough to fit underneath the seat in front of me. I always bring my slippers because hotel rooms are cold and they have cold floors, and it's just nice to have slippers. And then my little bag of overnight things, the little bits and pieces that I need to get through the day. One more thing that I also always bring, and that is my little computer bag. I always have my laptop. And I like this one because it's small. It doesn't weigh very much. I always show it to people with Macs because they're proud of how small and lightweight their computers are. And then they hold this one and it's even lighter. So this is a great laptop. And then I always have with me my tablet. When I have a really bad day, it's thinking about what I want to do next. And that's almost always something in astronomy. I love what I do. I get out of bed every morning eager to start my day because what's ahead of me is so interesting, so much fun, so much of a challenge. No day is the same and no day is boring. So if I'm having a rough spot, I think about what I'm going to do next. And in astronomy, the big joy of that is discovering something that no one has ever known before. I could be the first person to learn something new about the universe, and then I get to share it. And that's what keeps me going out of the rough spots. What's going to come next, and how exciting and wonderful that's going to be.